the Spirit of God. Therefore, I have come to deal with the harshness of this season. But more than that, I have come to expose lies after lies after lies that have been in high places of your government and in this nation. Things that they thought while they were doing it that no one was watching. Not so. I was there. And there were those who were there who captured the evidence of what was done and has been done. Why do you think that they say evidence does not exist? Are they all lying? Why do you think that they do not want to see evidence that exists? Because they are afraid. And the same spirits of fear that have tried to grip your hearts in this nation are afraid of the truth. But I have said to you that my truth shall outweigh their lies. I have said to you that my light shall outweigh their darkness. Therefore listen to me, says the Lord. I am looking from the heavens, and I am listening to those who are speaking, and loudly they are speaking. For 2021 is not only a year of victory, but it is the year of the tongue, and I'm listening. Are you speaking against my hand? Are you touching my servants who are standing and speaking? Are you attacking one another? I am watching and I'm listening. But are you trying to stop my agenda and my America? For I say to you and those who have doubted and have even thought for a moment that I would hand this democracy to the thievery and to that which is of the enemy that steals, kills, and destroys. Watch very closely. For I say to you in this time, let not your hearts be troubled. Do not let it be afraid. For it will look as though things will go forward as is. Then suddenly it will change. And you will see that there is a God in the earth. There is a God in this nation. And no man will stand to oppose my plan. Are you ready for something about to bust? Are you ready? Well, this has been a test of your endurance. It's been a testing of your faith, the trying of your faith. You've waited, but now anticipate and expect, for you will see suddenly my hand. And when you hear of things and when you see of things, look closely, for you will see that I am right in the middle of the chaos that shall happen and the events that shall take place, and a reversal, a removal, and a restoration of what I have declared, says the Lord. I write my finger in the stones. I did it with the commandments. Therefore, what I set in stone shall stand. Something is about to bust. Something is about to bust. Come on. Come on, some of you need to be just like Elijah, who stood up when the false prophets of Jezebel, just like that they've been after God's spokesman, his prophets, his spokesman today. And the prophet Elijah stood up and said, "Where is your God? Is he out relieving himself?" Then suddenly something busted and God came through. Listen to me, those of you who prophesy, those of you who pray, those of you, come on, that are standing. Jezebel's tactics Spirits of darkness tactics are always to get you to run and hide and cave in. God is saying, who shall stand on the Lord's side? Come on, who will stand on the Lord's side? Over President Trump. President Trump, listen, thou art a shield about you. I prophesy to you. I prophesy to your destiny. I prophesy over this nation. Come on. America, United States, every Christian, every patriot that is standing, you, oh God, are a shield for us. Come on. Now here's the deal. I will not be afraid of 10,000s of people. And I won't be afraid of 10,000 demon rats or Republicans that didn't stand for anything. Will not be afraid of 10,000 people.
Not be afraid of 10,000 people.
Come on, sing it.
Who set themselves against me round about. For thou, oh Lord, art a shield for me, glory and the lifter of my head. On you, Lord. Oh, Lord, are a shield for me. Glory and the lifter of my head. I will not be afraid of 10,000 people set themselves against me round about. Oh Lord, of 10,000 people